All right. 4 o'clock. What a day. What a day. What a day. So, let's take a look at what we did on the S&P. So right here is your daily. We gave a nice retrace all the way down to the 20-day moving average and then bounced right off of that, showing some strength. That's a pretty nice move. We closed just below the 8-day. So I'm kind of encouraged. We have one green bar right down here. I'd like to see the momentum turn around, get a one red bar, I'm sorry, right down here. The momentum turn around, we get a green bar, and I think that baby may be poised for a move up. I'm very encouraged. So I think the sell-off today was because of the retail sales came in a little softer than expected. There was some rumors that the economy has peaked, and COVID is going to slow things down. I don't really see it. Yeah. Then the other thing out there, lurking out there, was Fed's beginning discussions about their policy tapering. But if retail sales came in less than expected, why would they taper their policy? So it's good day. We made a few bucks today, taking some trades early in the morning. The afternoon was a nice breakout if you watched it on the 30-minute chart. But you could see it on the 60-minute chart, things turning around, and you could see the momentum starting to pick up and turn around. So it was a pretty good day. I mean, for the most part, we had that sell-off and the momentum was down, and then it turned around, showed a little bit of strength. And I'm loving it. I think if we look at the composite, it's going to appear relatively the same, which it does. Still below its 20-day. I think it's just going to trade between the 1455 and 1497. I think we're just going to bounce around there for a little while. Tomorrow's Wednesday, so we have oil, we have Fed, so there shouldn't be too much action. The Dow looks relatively the same as the S&P, and held its 20-day moving average, put in a little bit of a hammer. Looks like it's poised to go up tomorrow. Anything can happen. Bitcoin had a wee bit of a sell-off. I don't like that too much. Don't be surprised if it comes back down to about 42, 41, 42, does a last kiss, and then continues its march upward. Dailies are looking pretty positive. 60 minutes looking a little bearish at the moment. Excuse me. Let's look at, do I have the 10-year? Here's the 30-year bond interest rates. I don't know. I guess we see the momentum moving up on the daily. I mean, interest rates will have to break this high. So I can't give you, I can't equate it because it's an index, so I don't know what the interest rate high, but if you watch the index, it's got to break this high right here where my mouse is. So the index has got to go over 2034, and then we'll start a bullish trend. Well, you know what? I guess we can argue that we're in a bullish trend right now. Or just the beginning of a bullish trend on a daily basis. Because it's making a higher low. It made a higher high, higher low. I think it's just going to go into consolidation and trade sideways here. It's actually negative still on the 60s. So we'll just watch it and see. And if that baby doesn't rip, I think we're looking pretty good. What else we got? We looked at Bitcoin. We did some of that. Let's take a quick look at Amazon, which is taking a beating. This is a nice hammer from yesterday, but just couldn't see it through today. I really thought it was going to pop. So you're just going to have to watch that. Momentum is still fading. The 60-minute momentum's turning around. To tell you the truth, there's nothing there that's exciting me. I'll just watch it and take a look at it tomorrow. Maybe I'll see something to get into. And last but not least, Apple. Apple is bullish. I would just watch the 34.47. If it stays above that, I would be bullish. If it breaks that 34.47, I think the trend is going to change. It'll start trading off. But again, it's just in a consolidation. It's probably going to consolidate. Probably between the 41 and the lows and the 28. I mean, it's got to break those two before anything happens. I see no entry at the moment. So that's it. I'm hungry. I'm going to go cook up a steak. So I appreciate everybody stopping in and checking me out. We stream live 9 o'clock till about 12, and we get a few trades off. We babble and rant on politics and PC and all that good stuff. So check me out if you're new. Hit the subscribe and hit the bell so you know when we're up and running. If you hit the like, I appreciate it. It helps me promote the channel. If you want to support the channel, there's a link in PayPal that you could throw us a few bucks, buy us a beer, let us know you appreciate what you're doing. So it's 4 o'clock. I appreciate your time. Everybody remember that trading is void of emotion. You should be at peace, and good luck trading.